Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial on Sora. Today I'm going to introduce you to this application, which by the way you can download very easily on the Play Store and the App Store. I'm showing you the desktop version because it's exactly the same interface, okay? So do not worry about it. It looks exactly the same. So that's what I'm showing you this. The only difference is that the menu bar is going to be on the bottom part instead of on the left. But besides that, it's the same. And in the next minutes, I'm going to show you how to get started on the platform that's changing the game for creators. First of all, guys, as you can see, I have logged into my account. You can do so by clicking on login in here, and it's going to ask you to create an account. So as you can see here, guys, this looks very similar to Instagram because this is exactly what Zora is. It's like a social app that is going to turn your content into a product. Unlike traditional social media where your posts generate revenue for the platform, Sora is going to let you and your followers earn directly from the content itself. Every single post in Sora, whether it's a photo, a video, or even just text, is an instantly tradable digital item called a content coin. When you post, as you can see here, you create a new market for that piece of content. People can buy and sell these coins. They can, and you, the creator, earn a portion of the trading fees every time a transaction happens. And this is based on cryptocurrency and the blockchain. Once you open it, guys, I just want you to go to your profile in here, as you can see. Okay, and when you try to log in or create your profile, Sora is going to ask you to link your crypto wallet to interact with it. If you don't have one, Sora is going to create one for you, okay, which is exactly what I did in my case. So you're going to click on edit profile in here. You're going to go to your account, and there you're going to be able to see your direction for the wallet. But if you, for example, have like a Coinbase wallet or MetaMask, this is also going to work and you can export it then. This wallet is how you're going to manage your earnings and collection. Now for the fun part, we're going to make our first post. I'm going to post a photo that I took last night. From this home feed in here, I just want you to click on the plus icon that you can see. And here it says upload videos and photos. You can select it from your phone or from your laptop, as I can do in here. But another very cool option that you can do is generate an image using artificial intelligence. You can choose between different styles such as horses, pixel art, brain rot, and things like that, which are going to be like memes. You have to give it like a description, and this is going to use the AI model to create an image. You can also add a reference image if you want to base it on something else. I'm just going to create a food picture. When you have your prompt ready, click on generate. And this is how it's going to look like, guys. It's pretty good. Now you have to give it a title and a description. This is your chance to tell the story behind your content. I'm going to call this hamburger, and you can write a caption or a description. You can also add a ticker, which is going to be like a nickname or like a tag. This is something similar to the Instagram tags, okay? So I'm just going to do burger, and I'm going to click on done. And it says here, you're going to receive this 10 million of these coins, okay? So once I click on post in here, what's going to happen is that Sora is going to work its magic and it's going to create a unique token on the base blockchain. And just like that, my photo is now live on Sora and it has its own market. Anyone can now buy a coin of this post. Here you have it, guys. It looks like this, okay? And you have similar to Instagram, like the picture, the different comments. And now you have the number of items that we have and then the current price. So how is it going to work for earning money? Let's learn it. When someone sees my post and believe in its value, they can click on, well, in this case, you're going to click on buy, not in trade, but they're going to click on buy, basically, to purchase this content coin. The price is going to be determined by a market mechanism. The more popular it is, the higher the price is going to go. As you can see, I can buy it for a number of, Ethereum or Base or Bitcoin or even my own coin. Okay, so this is something that is going to depend on the wallet that you have and on the coin that you have. But yeah, you can buy this item. Now, here's the key for the creators. Every time someone buys or sells your coin, you automatically receive 50% of the trading fees generated by that transaction. This is basically passive income. Your post is going to earn for you as its community trades it. If you have this coin, you can also sell it. Okay. The thing is that for this to be available, you need to share with people so it becomes kind of popular, and then you're going to be able to trade with it. You can track all of your earnings in the wallet section, which is going to be in here. And as you can see, I have my balance, okay, and in the different coins in Ethereum and things like that. Here you can also send or receive money by using this QR code in here. Sora is also about discovering community. Your home feed is where you will find content from creators you follow and trending posts across the network. When you find a piece that you love, you're not just liking it, you become a collector by buying its coin. I can click on buy here, and this is gonna, tell me what the price is for this particular item. By collecting, you're directly supporting that creator and holding an asset that could increase its value. You can also go to the search section, and here you're going to be able to search by the different keywords that we used before, the different hashtags, and you can basically see like the most popular ones, the top creators, and in general, the people that are making the most money. This is going to allow you to make intelligent purchases and to earn the most money, similar to how you could buy a stock, for example, for a higher or for a lower price. So you guys, that's pretty much it. That's how you can turn your content into currency with Zora. It's a social network, a marketplace, and a new way to value creativity all in one app. If you don't want to trade, you can still use it like a social media app like normal. Thank you so much, guys.